I'm terrified. I'm a strong swimmer, but I'm very hungover and it's very cold. You're cold?
Yeah.
I've just been swimming. It exploded and it just went all over the South checkout thing. So how come you're doing this method?
This is the I can't be asked to get the colander out method.
Good morning. We went for a few beers last night, quite a few beers, and the plan was to go for a cold water swim this morning. I've never done it before and I'm actually quite scared. And Harry's not doing it. Harry won't get in, he's too hungover. That's why I had to drive her as well. We'll see how I get on. I hope I don't drown. I might do. Probably better than what I'm feeling now.
I'm not getting in to save you.
You wouldn't either, would you?
Oslo get in.
Wait. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you feeling?
Oslo, yeah.
I've just been given a pep talk and now I'm even more scared. I've been given gloves.
Gloves and socks to keep you warm.
Apparently my body's gonna go into panic and fight or flight mode. I'm gonna want to jump out, but I have to stay in. So now I need to get everything out in order for when I get out I can come back and just layer up. The next time you see me I'll be going in the lake. Wish me luck.
You ready to roll?
I'm terrified. Like actually, I got my sockies on.
Crap check.
Yeah, that's what I said to my mate. He's like,
It's not gonna work.
that ain't gonna save you. They're not a saving device, it's just if your body floats away, they can find you. Just to let you know.
I put you as my next of kin, by the way.
What? I ain't getting in.
Signed my life away.
Oh, that's right.
Right, hopefully that won't come off, will it?
No. You've done it before, haven't you, Claire?
A few times.
Oh. I feel like
You will not regret it, I promise.
I'm a strong swimmer, but I'm very hungover and it's very cold.
It's these lot I'm worried about.
Let's go.
What do we have to do? Just walk in.
So I can wear just these socks on the floor.
Are you want to get in the lake?
Yeah.
Come on in.
It's so hard to breathe. I don't feel hungover anymore.
But it takes all your energy, doesn't it? I'm a good swimmer, mate, but in here
That's it, we're in.
Oh,
It's 10.9 degrees in there.
boiling.
roasting. What is it? 10.9?
Yeah.
Mate, that was hard.
We survived the shack.
I'm knackered, but I'm boiling.
Boiling?
Yeah.
I'm really hot as well.
My body is burning.
How was it?
Tiring, mate.
Yeah.
Really. It's actually like,
Yeah.
I'm a good swimmer, but that I can only just swim around that. Like,
Loz, you going around again?
I don't know, I don't actually feel like I want to get out.
No?
Only though, because I don't want to push it. Thank you, guys.
Same time next week, yeah?
I don't know. Oh my gosh.
How was
That was
it?
the weirdest thing.
You're late near me.
I felt really hot down my socks. Now I feel cold that I've got out. It's
Yeah.
warmer in there than out here.
Enjoy it?
Yeah,
Yeah. Just the first bit's the hard bit.
yeah. Sinking in when it touches your neck. It's freezing. And then once you do the first little swim, I was like, I'm not gonna make it all the way around. And then from the first red buoy around, I was like, oh,
Can you
like
swim?
this.
Nice. Yeah, it looked alright when you were coming around that last bit. But...
I'm gonna go get changed.
Got the heating on. How was it?
Amazing. I'm definitely doing it again.
Yeah, you actually.
I can't believe you bust out. Oh yeah, my body's burning.
Are you warm now?
I have so many layers on because I was boiling. You hear it in my voice, and now I've gone really cold.
Apparently,
Really cold.
so one of my mates has just got out and he said you stay cold for up to an hour after. Chilly bones.
Leave that eating on, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, now that I'm outside, I've gone really cold again. But we are at Lake 32 in South Cerney, Ashton Keynes, and it was £8.
Right.
But I definitely do it again. So this is Chloe, my cousin.
Hi.
And Chloe just got me round that swim. Every single emotion I was about to start feeling, Chloe called it. It was like, you're gonna feel like this, you're gonna do that. So thank you,
You
Chloe.
smashed it though. Absolutely smashed it for your first time.
There you go,
Well
Nelly.
done you.
Thank
Are
you.
you cold?
I'm getting colder. I was
Yeah.
boiling. But
Body
yeah,
will continue to drop for a good 30 minutes.
it's fun though, I definitely do it again.
Yay!
You got a little coffee shop. So we put this date in the diary months ago for all of the cousins to meet up. So there's 7 of us. Matty lives in the Midlands and the other, we're all quite close. But so we went to our local pub last night for some drinks and dinner. Had a bit of a pie at our house last night. Woke up feeling rough. Came for a cold water swim. And now we're gonna go into the village for a walk down, it's called Bow Wow, because at the end of that is the house that we all grew up in. So we're kind of reminiscing on our childhood, and it's been such a lovely weekend. We're at Lake 32, and you can pay to do a cold water swim, and they give you floats and stuff. I would definitely be doing it again. Did you enjoy your swim?
Yeah, I'm bloody cold now though. Get the heating on.
It's a bit chilly.
Harry wouldn't do it. And it wasn't even because he was hungover, because I booked this a couple of days ago, and even then he said, no, I'm not doing it.
I'll get in the summer when it's nice and warm.
Well, that's not a cold water swim then, is it?
No, exactly.
But the water was 10.9 degrees.
Basically boiling.
I don't know if that's really cold or if it's quite warm for November. Just checking. This village is just outside of Cirencester and it's stunning. You've got 2 pubs opposite each other that they're all right. This one's just put cameras up though for parking. Encouraging people to drive home after going to the pub is not a good idea. And then you've got a river. This is Bow Wow. And this lane goes all the way down to my old house, the house that I grew up in.
Bloody freezing.
You're cold.
Yeah.
I've just been swimming.
Yeah, it was boiling hot in there. It's 11 degrees, man.
A river's colder than a lake, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Fresh.
Might get in. I'm a pro now. Hiya.
Oh.
Hey, Binks. Binks, hi. I was like, wait, don't run at little dogs like that.
Dog City.
Hi, gorgeous boy.
What are you doing, Myla?
Ready?
So this is the house that I grew up in for like 20 years. We lived one side and then built an extension the other, so my nan and granddad lived there. And it's brought back so many memories. We used to have little sheep that were in here. Oh, there are still sheep in there actually. How long do sheep live? Is that the same sheep that I used to know? But yeah, we sold it 7 years ago and my parents moved into the village because we were all moving out and leaving home, which was really sad.
You had fun? Yeah?
No.
No?
We've just got back from our walk. It's about an hour and a half. And it was so nice spending time with family. We haven't spent time like that together in years, so it was so nice. And then we went to Co-op to get some food. Any guesses for what we're having for lunch? So we're gonna go find somewhere to park up, get the dinner on, probably get the kettle on. Although I've warmed up now. Harry's colder than I am. I feel really warm.
It's just my hands. My hands are freezing. I've got shorts on, my legs are fine, but my hands are cold and my head's cold.
It's 8 degrees and it was 10 degrees in the water, which just doesn't make sense to me because it wasn't warmer in the water than it was outside. But I'm not gonna get back in. Warm up.
Beautiful. It's not a bad spot, that, is it?
No. I've got some snacks.
Cute little rebel.
He's alive.
I'm alive. Sorry I haven't been on camera much today. I've been feeling a bit poorly.
Well, did you eat something dodgy?
What was it? Oh, it was that bloody Madry, wasn't it?
What have we got for lunch?
Cheese and tomato tortellini.
We don't like cheese pasta.
Garlic and parsley ciabatta slices. And tomato and basil sauce. Again, tomato and basil. I don't know. Have we had this before? Tomato and basil?
I dropped it in the shop when I was paying for it.
Not this one.
Not that one, another one. And it split all down the side and
it exploded.
It exploded and it just went all over the self checkout thing. And I was like, I'm really sorry. I didn't say I dropped it though, and now I feel really bad. I just said to the lady, I was like, this one's got a crack in it. I didn't say that, I've just fucking thrown it on the floor.
So what do we need? Do we need 2 pots? Yeah.
Shit. We are parked in a little car park off the side of the road. You can probably stay here actually. There's no signs that say you can't.
You can definitely stay here. It's on Park for Night. There's lots of places near us on Park for Night, but they've all got like 2 metre or 2.2 metre height barriers, which isn't very useful to us.
What are we?
2.6.
Just let the tyres down.
Just take the wheels off, you'll be fine. So we're frying our tortellini.
Oh my god, you're getting it everywhere.
Tomato and basil sauce. Do you hear that floorboard? Just, I stood on something. That smells so good. 4 minutes. Oh, how long did they take?
You tell me. You just looked at the wrapper.
Does anyone else do that? Get stuff out, get it ready, put it in the oven, and then go, oh, how long does that take? Then
20 minutes, 200 degrees.
You have to go through the bin again to try and find it. Or just leave it in there till it goes brown.
Is anyone proud of me for doing the cold water swim?
No. It was easy, mate.
Well, why didn't you do it if it was easy?
Because I was hungover.
So was I. I was genuinely scared at one point. Well, leading up to it, the whole point. I woke up and I was just waiting for Harry to say that he didn't want to go over, and that was then going to be my excuse. He didn't, and I got there, and I'm proud of myself. I am. I don't care if you're not proud of me. But has anyone else done it? And is there any tips into how you...
Yeah, getting in the summer. That's my biggest tip.
Yeah, but surely because the water is still quite cold and it's hotter outside, it's more... No, we always swim in the lake in the summer, what am I on about? Because Mum was saying you have to like lead up, like build up to it and do cold water showers. But I did none of that. I just bought a swimming costume that had arms. The socks and gloves that my auntie gave me was a game changer. I don't think I could have done it without. Any recommendations for cold water swim spots? Let me know. I want to do it again. And it would just be a me thing because Harry isn't brave enough. Harry hasn't got the balls. We're in a little car park called Somerford Common, which is quite close to Cirencester. You go down a little road and then just off of it is a little car park. So we've got the dinner on and I don't know if we're going to stay here tonight. We might do. How long for the garlic bread? Did you have a look?
About this long.
So how come you're doing this method?
This is the I can't be asked to get the colander out method.
Interesting. I mean, it's working. It's a slow process.
It's taken a lot longer than I thought. Probably cold by the time I get around to eating it.
At least the garlic bread will be done.
Bloody hell, there's more in there. Are you putting them back in as I'm taking them out? Cheers.
Cheers. That was cheese, not dribble.
Oh, that was good.
Very tomatoey.
Yeah,
I mean, what do I expect? Tomato and basil pasta.
Oh, I should have got a big plate really, shouldn't I? Wow, that looks good.
Delicious. Thank you. Why are you being needy? Hey, what do you want?
That's it for this video. That dinner was lovely. Went down really well.
If I went swimming now, I'd sink.
So yeah, I think we're just going to call it a night now. It's starting to get dark. That's going to be it. So I hope you've enjoyed the video and we shall see you next week.
Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next week.